इस हफ्ते जो है पिंक आई, वो भी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करती है, और जो नहीं है वो नहीं है उसकी बात करती है, और नाउ अभी पास्ट है जो अगेन वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करती है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम फॉर इंडियन सिनेमा एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू पास्ट नाउ.
राजकुमार, अभी आउटफिट फिल्म में भी पार्ट रह चुके हैं, शाही से सीखने की आपने अवार्ड भी लिया. सब आउटफिट फिल्म का मार्केट क्या है, और एज एन एक्टर जब आउटफिट फिल्म में कोई काम करता है तो क्या वो ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग होता है कमर्शियल फिल्मों के मुकाबले?
आई डोंट नो, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द फिल्म, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट. मैं तो हर फिल्म को फिल्म की तरह देखता हूँ, मैं उसका ऑफ बीट या कमर्शियल या बैचलर सिनेमा नहीं देखता हूँ. आप अपनी एक्टिंग की मेहनत तो कम नहीं कर सकते. ऑफ कोर्स फिजिकली आप अपनी बॉडी को चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट अदरवाइज तो इट्स ऑल द सेम है.
राजकुमार, इन फिल्मों में जिस तरीके का मुद्दा उठाया जाता है वो मुद्दा सिर्फ फिल्मों तक सीमित रहता है, उसके आगे चीज़ बदल जाती है, भूल जाती है. उसको आगे गर्म रखने के लिए क्या क्या
देखिए, हमारा काम है सिर्फ फिल्म बनाना. बाकी लॉ कैसे चेंज होगा, बाकी स्ट्रिक्टनेस कैसे आएगी चीज़ों में, उसके लिए तो हमें एज एन ऑडियंस, एज सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री हमें जागरूक होना पड़ेगा. बाकी हमारा काम है फिल्म बनाना, लोगों को सच्चाई दिखाना और एंटरटेन करना, वो हम करते हैं.
राजकुमार, लास्टली ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपको मालूम है कि इस फिल्म का जो एक न्यूज़ वीडियो लीक हुआ था, मतलब तो काफ़ी कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट किया, तो इस तरह की कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करना क्या ज़रूरी होता है फिल्म के कमर्शियल सक्सेस के लिए?
आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट जो भी हुआ, जैसे भी वो लीक हुआ. और फिल्म अपने आप में उस सीन से हम शॉट बहुत बड़ी है. फिल्म बहुत कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में बात करती है, सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर सीन के बारे में नहीं. और हम थोड़ा सा हुपला भी बना देते हैं, जहाँ पे सेक्स आ जाता है, कुछ नेकेड सीन आ जाता है, किसिंग आ जाती है. तो हम लोग थोड़ा है, हम थोड़ा उसको ज़्यादा उछाल देते हैं. बट आई एम श्योर वो इट्स जस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट.
And what is keeping you busy these days?
I've finished a couple of things. Finished Vikram Motwani sir's film. Then there's something with Hansal sir, which is called Omerta, that we're almost done with. Then there's Newton, which is a black comedy. I'm looking forward to Bareilly Ki Barfi now. We'll be starting our shoot really soon. Then there's this Hollywood film called Five Weddings with Nargis.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wait, not Hi, my name is Riddhi Sen.
And I'm Mahir Khan.
Internationally काफी धमाल करती है इंडिया में. So how you are getting the response from the audience?
Just camera look.
It's really fantastic. Which any camera.
Yeah.
It's really amazing because it got, I mean, one of the most, those films which got a huge international acclamation. So once it's coming home, it's already an amazing feeling altogether. And what is very interesting is like we all keep saying that it's a festival movie and all those taglines, which it's not, because that's how all the people are reacting. That it's really, I mean, it's for all of us. Like I mean, despite of any strata or any social strata, and this reaction is already coming because I'm seeing a lot of people who are not like the festival goers are also extremely keen on watching this film. So this is the best thing, I guess, which could happen to the film.
Yeah, and I think it's not only for one particular group of people, it's for everyone, and anyone can relate to this film. So I think, yeah, that's it.
Many of them have watched this training and all. I guess not. I mean, I don't still. I've been getting a lot of comments, which Leena ma'am also keeps on saying that this person. According to my comment, I was rehearsing with Russell Carpenter, choreographer of Titanic. So he once rehearsing said that okay, he is a real monster, a raging bull. So raging bull is a movie. So I think nothing can surpass that comment. And the second thing, which Leena ma'am, because I mean the director's comment is the best comment ever. That she knows the film, she understands what exactly she wants. So when she after every shot came and said the review, haar diya bhai. So that's the best thing which I loved about.
I think I got my first compliment from Russell Sony. I say he said that you make me remember Kate Winslet. So what
That's
can be better than that? So I think वो मेरे लिए best था.
Hanji. Yeah. I guess I always, I mean, I believe in this thing that film is film all over the world. Like we always keep on categorizing as like Tollywood, Bollywood, or Hollywood, but good films are good films which is all over the world. And it always gets the appreciation for good cinema. So I guess so. Films are all over. It's a universal medium. So that's I think so. Good work is happening all over, and that's getting appreciated. That's the best thing I feel. So I'm sure this will increase more and more. Yeah. I mean, this is the second time because we performed in Chauranga together, and so that actually helped me out a great deal because in Chauranga, I mean, we started the bonding together. So now when in Parch, it's so effortless that I don't have to bond with her again from the very beginning. The best thing is like some things are happening magically. Like magically in the sense like I mean, again, it's a mother and son, but it's a different section altogether. So now I think she's the best co-actress till date I've ever had because who brings out everything within you, and that entire chemistry just happens like magic just when the camera rolls. So I guess I'm extremely lucky to have
Actually,
Tanishta
this
ma'am
is
as
my
the
second
co-actor.
film with Tanishta Chatterjee
Same
as
for
well.
both of us, like
So
second
my
film.
first was Jalpari with Tanishta Chatterjee was there, and now Parch. So even like that's so true that she's amazing, and
And
I
a
think it's
co-actor
great
will
to
make you
work with
feel
her.
comfortable. So like it doesn't feel that you're shooting or there's a camera or there's a whole unit. It's like just
Like,
she
she's
and
there
us. That's it.
Exactly.
Thank you so
you.
much.